Hey, eighth grade, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 2. It's going to cover complete subjects and complete predicates. Okay, so every sentence that we write or say has two parts. It has a subject and it has a predicate. The subject tells whom or what the sentence is about, and then the predicate tells what the subject does, is, has, or feels. So when we're talking about the complete subject, it's going to be all of the words in the subject. Same with the complete predicate, it's going to be all the words in the predicate. Here's how I like to break it down. Is I like to find my verb in the sentence, because once I find that verb, I know that everything after that is going to be part of the predicate, and everything before it is going to be part of the complete subject. Let's try a few here. Okay, here we have a very simple sentence. People eat. Now, because it's only two words, it should be pretty obvious for us to figure out the who of the sentence and then the what. So people is going to be our complete subject here, and eat is going to be our complete predicate. Let's take a look at another. So most people in America eat 3 meals every day. Okay, so what's the who and what is the action or the feeling of that sentence? Well, the who is most people in America. That is our complete subject. That leaves eat 3 meals every day as our complete predicate. Let's look at another one here. Many kinds of foods are eaten around the world. Okay, so we have to stop. What is the what or the who of the sentence? It's many kinds of foods. And then we have, for your complete predicate, are eaten around the world. Look at this. Many people in different countries around the world love seafood. Well, here we kind of have a very word-heavy complete predicate. Because if I identify the verb is love, so that starts my predicate. Everything before that is going to be part of my complete subject. Many people in different countries around the world. Now take a look. If you remember from lessons last year, you have 2 prepositional phrases in there in that complete subject as well. In different countries and then around the world. So prepositional phrases can be part of a complete subject or a complete predicate, depending on where they're placed in the sentence. And then in this sentence, we have a 2-word complete predicate, and it is love seafood. All right, and let's try a little bit of guided practice. What I'd like you to do is write each sentence that I give you on the guided practice, underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. Let's take a look at the first one. Number 1 says, the fair at school will definitely be tomorrow. Go ahead and pause to try number 1. Alrighty, so you should have underlined for your complete subject the fair at school. And then you should have underlined twice will definitely be tomorrow as the complete predicate. Number 2, students in every class are now preparing projects. Go ahead and pause. All right, so what was our complete subject here? It is students in every class, and that leaves are now preparing projects as our complete predicate. Number 3 says, some of the students in Mr. Solano's social studies class have collected flags of many nations. Go ahead and pause to write down and identify the complete subject and complete predicate. All right, for the complete subject, you should have some of the students in Mr. Solano's social studies class. And then for your complete predicate, you should have underlined twice, have collected flags of many nations. Let's try a couple more. Number 4, one of the students built a miniature house. Go ahead and pause. Okay, the complete subject in that sentence is one of the students. What did that student do? Built a miniature house. All right, let's do one more before we move on to any kind of independent practice. Number 5 says 2 English classes are performing Julius Caesar. Go ahead and pause to write down, identify your complete subject and your complete predicate. Okay, our complete predicate in this sentence should be 2 English classes, and the complete predicate is are performing Julius Caesar. All right, I want you to try a little bit on your own. Let's do some independent practice. I would like for you to write each sentence, underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice, just like we did during the guided practice. If you need any assistance or you get stuck, give me a shout out to my email and I will help you as soon as I see that email. All right, guys, have a great night.